Watercolor is one of the most unpredictable and uncontrollable painting medium that gives you an immense amount of happiness just to see the pigments flowing on the water on your paper. There are a lot of techniques and effects that you can create with watercolors which might make someone who is just starting out with this beautiful medium to feel overwhelmed. I'm here to help you with overcoming all the fears of gaining control over this spectacular medium. Hello everyone, I'm Geetu, an engineer, a watercolor artist and an instructor based out of the UK. My Instagram handle is Colourful Mystique. Many times people have asked me how I managed to create watercolor paintings, Skillshare classes, editing videos for Instagram, Skillshare and Patreon, all along with my full-time job as an aerospace engineer. I think it has got to do with embracing the creative practice and accepting an artist's mindset. If you think of painting as a relaxing process after a day's work at home or office, and not see it as another task and paint completely with your heart, then I think everybody can find time to paint. With practice, everyone can be perfect. Imagine doing something passionately for 100 days. Don't you think you will be a pro in it? That is the reason why I have come up with this class today. A 100-day watercolor project to help you master this medium to the fullest. I will help you let go of every fear you have when attempting watercolors and make you smile with each painting. Imagine how within just 100 days you can change from a beginner artist to an expert artist, or from someone who paints randomly to someone who paints every day. If you decide to join me, then for 100 days of your life, I will be teaching you everything about watercolors. We are going to venture into one new subject a week, like skies, galaxies, landscapes, mountains, northern lights, beach, ocean, water, sunset, food, everything that one needs to master this medium. We will paint 6 paintings every week, followed by a day's break, and the topics for each week are designed to help you progress towards becoming a professional artist. You can take as many breaks as you want, and you can always come back to the point where you left off. This class will be like the ultimate watercolor masterclass to guide you into all the most sought out topics with watercolors. The class is perfectly suited for beginners, people who have a full-time job like me, or people who can't find a lot of time to paint in a day. All you need is 30 minutes of your time in a day, and you will become an expert with watercolors. You will end up with 100 of your original masterpieces and a lot of painting memories. After this class, with my help and your passion towards this medium, painting every day will be a part of your life. We are going to start with skies for the first week, so get ready with your supplies and join me on this path to becoming a master in watercolors.